And we got Slater off pole. He was the fastest qualifier. Ellie Wilson doing a good job out of grid 2. Rightio, we're getting ready for this third and final cadet race. And here we go. Slater off pole. Ellie Wilson. They're off and racing. Geordie still struggling off with the line with that start, but he's got it away. Leads into turn 1. Great start by Ellie Wilson. Luke Wilson, Raymond Mellon, Naylor, Sullivan, Kennedy, Kamaloka and Hughes. Ellie Wilson certainly looking very racy this part of the race on the first lap. She's right up behind Geordie Slater. Geordie has run around already this year and has proven to be a very competitive and strong driver. He qualified pole by literally only a few thousandths and he's put it to good use so far. But here we go, we complete the first lap and he's got the pressure on him here. It's Slater, Ellie Wilson, Luke Wilson, Mallon. A little bit of a gap back to Naylor, then Sullivan, the cousins running 4th and 5th. The other cousins running 2nd and 3rd there. And we got Kennedy, Kamaloka and Hughes. Look at these top 4. There's nothing in it. Literally, Slater, Wilson, Mallon's got himself in amongst this one. Watch that young man go. A little bit of a gap then back to Naylor, Sullivan, then another little gap back to Kennedy, Kamaloka and Hughes. Fastest on track so far, 3rd place man. No, 4th place man, Raymond Mellon, 46.03. It's a great lap time by him. A little bit of Dyson there's just allowed. It's not much of a gap, but it's a gap. And it's just allowed Slater to get away. Ellie Wilson. Luke Wilson, Mallon, Naylor, Sullivan right up the clacker of Naylor there. And you've got Kennedy, Kamaloka and Hughes, and they're all nose to tail as well. Every one of these kids, boys and girls, is within the 46s. Literally 4 tenths, or 6 tenths, covers the fastest to the slowest car on track. That's fantastic. Slater got a bit of a gap. 0.6 was the gap on that last lap. .9's the gap this lap. Wow, he's doing low 46s. That's a great effort. And just as he mentioned before, it's all about consistency. 46.40 that lap. 46.34 was his previous best. That's very close. Equals the lap time of Luke Wilson in 3rd, but Mallon still been the fastest on track so far, 46.03. I think he's being held up a little by these couple in front of him based on ability of lap times. Looks like Naylor's slowly getting onto the back of this chain. He's got Sullivan coming with him, but it's Slater, Ellie Wilson, Luke Wilson, Raymond Mellon, Naylor, Sullivan, Kennedy's just managed to get away now from Kamaloka and Hughes. I'm going to give you an idea, ladies and gentlemen. Hughes, best lap, 46.52, rounds out the field. The leader, best lap, 46.34. Not even 2 tenths separating the driver in first best lap from the driver in 8th place, or 9th place, best lap. How good is that, ladies and gentlemen? Just goes to show the importance of getting a good position in qualifying as well. All these kids are capable, and what a great effort there. It's been great to see Hughes' improvement as well as the day's gone on. Really good effort there all round. But it's Slater in the lead, and look, he's lapping so consistently. 46.40 on that lap, his best lap 46.34. Ellie Wilson, that last lap, 46.31. That was her best lap. 46.28 for Luke Wilson. 46.3 for Mallon. 46.6 for Nellis. Dan Sullivan, 46.25. So there you go. And look at it. This chain. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth now. Ellie Wilson, slight gap over Luke Wilson on this last lap. Not much in it. Slater, but again, 46.15 for Slater on that lap. Great effort. We'll be coming up to the second last lap. This will be the third last lap. Right now, I'm pretty sure. And it's Slater in the lead. Ellie Wilson. Luke Wilson. Mallon. Naylor, Sullivan. Kennedy, Kamalocka and Hughes. And here we go. Must be 2 laps to go now, I think. The race is right on here for second. Slater's got himself a bit of a gap. It's Ellie Wilson, Luke Wilson, Mallon, Naylor, Sullivan. There's nothing in it. You can throw a blanket over those 5. They are covered by literally 1 second. That's back to Kennedy and Kamalocka and Hughes. Last lap board I see is at the ready to display to the drivers as they come onto the straight this last lap. And it's Slater showing him the way to do it. He's in the lead. So get the last lap board. Ellie Wilson second, cousin Luke Wilson all over her. He's the Championship Series leader. And he has the ever hard-charging Raymond Mallon right behind him. And it looks like Sullivan has now managed to get around Naylor. I missed the move. Another great move by Sullivan. He's been pulling them off all day. Then Kennedy, Kamalocka, Hughes. They're on the last lap, boys and girls. Here we go. But a comfortable lead by Cadet Racing standards. 1.7 seconds it is for Geordie Slater, who leads coming onto the straight. Well done, young man. And well done, Ellie Wilson from Luke Wilson. Mallon, Sullivan, what a drive. Then Naylor. And wow, look at the lap times, boys and girls. That is unbelievable. So Kennedy, Kamalocka, then Hughes. Lap times, best lap time. Well, in order of finishing order, it was a 46.15 for Slater, 46.31 for Ellie Wilson, 46.25 Luke Wilson, 46.03 in the fastest lap by young Raymond Mallon. Dan Sullivan, 46.25, 46.12 for Zach Naylor, 46.82 for Annabelle Kennedy, 46.65 for Kamalocka, and a 46.52 for young Dan Hughes. So literally, there is nothing in it.